Welcome. If your inbox is overflowing with emails from X, formerly known as Twitter, and you'd like to take control, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to disable email notifications on X using your PC, following the latest update. This simple process will help you declutter your inbox and keep only the messages that truly matter. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the X website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your home feed, look over to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one labeled More. This will expand a new set of options. From the expanded menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can manage all aspects of your X account. Next, find and click on Notifications. Under the Notifications section, you'll see an option called Preferences. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll see a list of different notification types. Choose Email Notifications. This is where you control which emails X sends to your inbox. At the top of this page, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Email Notifications. To stop receiving any emails from X, simply turn off this switch. Once you do, all the other email notification options will be disabled automatically. That's it. You've successfully disabled email notifications on X. If you ever want to start receiving them again, just follow these steps and turn the toggle back on. Managing your notifications is a great way to keep your inbox tidy and make sure you're only getting the information you want. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a little help managing their X notifications. Enjoy your clutter-free inbox.